FamJam is an event that helps you to connect with families, and here children below class 5 have come together to enjoy the events, and also it is a very connectful activity that helps you to connect with your family and your friends. We have carnival show.
I think it was very good. Very good is a small word for that. I was flabbergasted throughout. I mean, every parent was enjoying, every kid was enjoying. You see the footfall right now as well. There are so many people around, and I think they don't want to go home. They are enjoying everything.
I wanted to be a child again today.
Really?
Really. We have petting zoo where we can have fun with the pets.
It was very interactive for children. I think my children loved the petting zoo the most.
It's a wonderful opportunity they are providing to improve the bonding, which is lagging due to the recent developments and mobile world we are living. So definitely we should congratulate the whole management and the initiative of the school for their purposeful event.
जो फैम जैम का कोरियोग्राफी था यहाँ के टीचर्स ने कोरियो करा। 3 एलिमेंट्स डिमांड करता है, फन, हैप्पीनेस और नॉलेज।